I'm Michael Moore. I'm from Milwaukee. I'm the founder of Moore's Law. I help lawyers and law firms across the state of Wisconsin achieve success by professional coaching and also working with firm management in areas of strategic resource optimization. Today we talked about we were not going to spend time on how you use your time in terms of whether you manage your time with a gadget or on paper or with a day timer. We were going to talk about the areas that you spend your time on, such things as career management, client management, practice management, and firm management, which includes people management. These are the things which occupy our time and which, if we can be more effective at managing and handling our time, we can get more effective in our practice. Today we talked about effective client management, starting with client intake and the need to use client intake checklists and client intake forms as a way to make sure we are managing client expectations. We need to define our client expectations, we need to manage those expectations, and if we're effective in doing that, what it results in is that clients pay their bills, clients are satisfied, clients become a good referral source, and therefore we've shortened the cycle time, our time management, in terms of turning our work product into actual cash. Career management, we talked about the fact that it can be incredibly challenging to have work as a lawyer, and therefore we want to pay attention to the fact that we can create rewarding careers if we manage our careers. And so in career management, I talked about the 5 keys to success, which I work on with lawyers, which are professional growth, increasing your billable hours, increasing your revenue generation, marketing development, and professional growth activities in terms of your professional skill development as a lawyer. Firm management is especially important for solos and small firm people because firm management is one of those things that can be put off, cannot be tended to, can be a last-minute thing, and we can consume an incredible amount of our resources in actual firm management. We need to pay attention to the fact that we need to shorten our cycle times, we need to get our time entry in, we need to make sure we have the technology on board that we need to make sure that our firm is fully positioned as a marketing firm that's going to go out and get business, and that all of the things that are handled well, and therefore the lawyers really need to spend time doing what they do best, which is billing time and working for clients. There's many outsource opportunities. They can bring in law firm administration, they can outsource HR, they can outsource marketing. We spent some time talking about technology and how to handle that as well. People management tends to be handling employees, but it's also having to do with the fact that your people management skills are very important, from whether you've got one assistant or an assistant, a paralegal, or you're running a firm with a whole bunch of people. There may be associates involved. So it's all the people around you, and that it can expand into clients, it can expand to court personnel, and so we talked about effective people management strategies as a way to make sure that part of your effective time management is effective people management.